We have an imposter. Hi guys, welcome along to another MX5 Restorer weekly update. Been a bit slack this week, been a bit busy. Roy's been off, so the only time I've got a chance to do a video is Friday, which is at the end of the week. So one of those things, unfortunately. Anyway, hope you guys are all right. Let's get to it. Oh, hang on, wrong button. There we go. Sort it out, Chris. So this Mark 1 has arrived. I think this is for work to be done next week. It's having I think we're doing seals and a few other little bits and pieces on it. This black Mark 1, I think it's had an underseal. No, might be getting confused with the other because we've got a couple of black Mark 1s in at the moment. Was it this one? No? Oh, right, okay. Alright, my bad on that one. This Mark 1, this white one, this has got an overheating issue. The lady has owned it for 20 years. Said that she had a leak, engine's got hot, and she's had the leak fixed, but runs it and it still gets hot, so I've got to look into that. I have had a quick look and there's no coolant in there, so whether or not the engine is damaged and there's just been another leak and it's got no coolant in, I don't know yet, so I've got to look into this one. Possibly engine gone still, or might be okay and a problem somewhere else. Our Mark 1 F-Reg is, I think, other than a couple of cosmetic bits since, oh no, I think they've been done. Oh no, they've been done. So I think I'm pretty right in saying that it's done. That it's now, we've got new badges and a number plate. That's it. But other than that, it's looking pretty nice. Wheels have been redone. Centre caps have been redone. They've got a brand new badge to go on it, so there'll be a video on that coming next week. So Jim's working outside at the moment. Friday's a bit of a busy day for us because it's getting the cars prepped and ready to go out to collection tomorrow. So I think this one's having a wing, so the new wing fitted. So Jim's in the process of doing that, and then it'll go for a clean. Let's go in this way. We have an imposter as well. Right, Ash?
Alright.
Yeah. What are you doing?
Rummaging through a tub of clips.
Why?
Find a clip. Hello.
Say hello to everyone.
Hello, everyone.
So what are you doing then?
Rummaging through a tub of clips.
Putting buzz back together.
Yeah, putting buzz back together.
So, anyone that watched on the previous video, this buzz is the one that had the Ohlins suspension, which we're going to go for a little drive later, aren't we?
Are we going to time?
But yeah, well, this is it. I mean, one thing I will say from sort of talking about it last time, when we actually got them out of the box and started putting them together, you do notice the build quality in them, don't you? Yeah. There is an element of quality about them. I just want to know what the difference is between a Meister R and the Ohlins. But build quality was certainly nice, and the way it was put together and finished off. So I can't knock that. And then nice shots. You can talk about. Come on.
It's almost done. Putting the side skirt on and then put the other.
Is that supposed to be there?
Yeah, that's so I can pull the tape off. I'm still
Right,
fitting
okay.
it. I'm in the process.
Okay, so explain why that's there then. Come on.
So I can peel that off so the tape can then hold it.
Okay, so I'll explain. So Ashlee we've had these off, we've done the seals. So Ashlee has cleaned it up, put some insulation tape in there, and then not insulation tape, double-sided tape. There we go.
Nice one.
And then he shall pull that off and then stick it back on. There we go. That's what they want to hear.
Insulation.
Just say this is what I'm doing at the moment, and that's why that's there.
Insulation tape is side skirt on, Chris.
Yes, insulation tape. So we've fitted discs, pads. It's got anti-roll. I think this might be going to maybe having a turbo fitted after it leaves here.
Possibly. You said something about tape.
I wouldn't be surprised. I'm not sure you'd go all this length doing shocks, brakes, anti-roll bars and everything. And, I mean, you would do, but
it's going to happen.
I think yes, it is. And he's got some really nice wheels on here.
What, these racing heart wheels?
No, which we've just put on, just supplied. I do like them. I think I would contemplate them maybe having on my car. These have got a 20mm offset on those, so these are 15 by 8 with a 20mm offset. I would want 15 by 8 with 0 offset. That's alright.
Just space them out of washers, Chris.
Yeah, the gym. Right. Have you finished?
Yeah, I'm done.
So, alright, I'll let you crack on. I've got a busy day today, so. Let's go and see Jim.
Hey, Bim. What's up?
Hey, Bim.
You alright?
Yeah. What are you doing over here?
Repairing.
You're repairing the bracket that goes underneath the front wing that attaches the front bumper to the wing.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're lucky you've got something to weld to though.
Yeah. It's got the wash bottom on it as well, so you don't get much access. So putting a nut and bolt on it, I can't get my hand up there.
Cool. Alright, did you want me to run through what you've been doing because you're outside doing that? Or?
Can do. I'm painting that. I'm undersealing S2000.
Yeah, Jim is multitasking this morning. So Jim has done all the work on this one.
Quite a bit came out of that.
So it was like jacking points, inner seal. You had your work cut out with this one this week, didn't you?
This side was alright. That's all that pile of metal pretty much, and that trolley is out of this.
All this here?
Pretty much. That's from the other side. This is the metal that came out.
Not much left of that, is there? Hang on, I'll just hold that by the end.
That was the jacking point. Sorry, no, that was the end of the box section.
That was a bit of box section.
That was the box section. And
that was
bottom of the end plate.
That was driver's side, rear lower seal section.
Might have even lost it. Yeah, it was.
That's passenger side. Nice.
Yeah. All nice.
Good job. Got it done. All right. Shall I talk about the underseal?
Yeah, sure.
There's nothing much to talk about, really, is there?
It's an S2000. Really needed an underseal.
You're becoming the in-house S2000 expert, aren't you?
The in-house S2000.
Yeah, but you've done 2 underseals on an S2000 now.
And that makes me an expert.
Well, yeah, that's 2 more than everyone else. I've done 1, so you've now overtaken me. I was the in-house S2000 expert, and as you've done 2 underseals now, 1 more than me, you're now the in-house S2000 expert.
Yeah, I don't understand about that.
So yeah, we do get asked to do other cars, and depending on them, we will do them. We've done 3 S2000s now. We've done a Jag, done a couple of Jags actually, and a couple of others. So yeah, any of you out there, if you do want an underseal done on your car and it's something that we might potentially take on, then give us a call. We will consider it. We'll get it done. So Jim's taken off all the splash guards, plastics. They did actually find a little bit of rust up here, which we're gonna have to tell the owner about. It wasn't in for it to be repaired, so we've taken it back a bit. But there was, looks like it's probably it's like the chassis rails, isn't it, Jim? Like there's 2 bits. Obviously, it's you've got two pieces of metal there that are obviously welded together, and it's possibly moisture between them rotting from the inside out, isn't it?
Yeah. Both sides, exactly the same place.
Yeah.
Almost like it's
Bit of a design flaw. So if you own a Honda S2000, this is the rear wheel arch. It's literally, it's just there. So you've got the disc literally above the caliper and then just slightly over. Just there. Looks like there's a potential rust problem. Alright, okay. Cheers, Jim. So, right, what have I been doing? I actually haven't been doing much this week. Well, I have been doing, but I've been doing many other things and not been able to get on with the things that... Pardon? I've done nothing at all.
Drilled a hole in the sump and bolted a sump on.
Didn't you help me with that there?
Yeah, that's a good point. I drilled the hole and then you put the fixing in and put the sump on. So
Well, you opened up the hole. I finished it off.
That's taken 5 days for you to
tapped
do
it out.
this? 5 days to tap it and bolt it on.
No, I've done far more than that, but I've had a whole week of just doing odd jobs. Yeah, I'm not in the shot there. Alright. Cheers, Ash, and go away now.
Good work, Chris.
So, yeah, so I'm back on getting the turbo build done, which I'm doing a video on. What I didn't do in the video, because last night I wanted to get it done, was I wanted to get the sump back on. So that's tapped out, sump's back on. I'll put a new gasket, new rear crank seal gasket, new rear front. I'm just in the process of doing the rear end, and then new water pump, cam belt. Get that done, but I don't think I'm going to get much done today because, as I say, Roy's off this week and got cars going out and I need to get them ready. Even Gareth's been in the workshop this morning. He's been polishing this white one, which is going out. So that's been done, and this one's to be put back together. So it's come back from paint, but we need to get this finished off. It's been a bit of a busy week this week, and the Le Mans is up there. Nothing else has happened on this from last week, from Roy cleaning it up. That you can see much in there, but it's gradually making itself seen. There we go. So that's it really. I need to crack on, lots to do. So see you on the next video. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you again. Bye bye.